Would you answer the door if the camera showed someone who wasn't there? Ethan's doorbell rang at 2 a.m. through his video doorbell app. On the screen was a man smiling, standing perfectly still. Ethan turned on the porch light. No one there. Yet his phone buzzed again. The same man, closer to the camera now. Panicked, Ethan checked the feed a third time. The man's face filled the screen, his lips moving silently. Ethan muted his phone. The ringing stopped. Relieved, he peeked through the peephole. Empty hallway. But behind him, the doorbell chimed once more. When he checked his phone again, the feed showed his own living room, with the smiling man already inside.